The Education Ministry released a statement on Wednesday advising public school teachers against the option of industrial action during the current period of arbitration between the ministry and the Guyana Teachers Union. The ministry invoked a July 1983 agreement which stipulates conditions that must be complied with by both parties during the process of arbitration. The statement read, and I quote, "During the consideration of the matter in dispute under the grievance procedure, there shall be no strike, stoppage of work, whether of partial or general nature, go slow, boycott, picketing, retardation of production, or any other interference with the ministry's operations by the union, nor shall there be any lockout or any other form of interference by the ministry. Both parties shall endeavor to maintain a state of normal industrial relations." End of quote. The Guyana Teachers Union stated that it does not feel threatened by the ministry's statement. General Secretary of the Union, Coretta MacDonald, told Nightly News that the union has not committed any illegal act since arbitration has not begun. She indicated that the parties have not agreed to the terms of reference, which gives the union the right to make decisions without considering consequences alluded to in the ministry's statement.
We have not yet signed any terms of reference. And because we have not signed any terms of reference, then the GTU can make whatever statement they want to make to the media. The GTU can ask its members to go slow, to work to rule, to not work at all. So all the ministry is doing is making a fool of themselves. That's all they're doing. We have not yet signed the terms of reference. And because we have not signed the terms of reference, then what the part in the document that they're bringing forward there, it doesn't hold any water.
Ms. MacDonald emphasized that the teachers should not be alarmed or threatened by the statement, since the union will stand by the side of its members.
When you talk about taking legal action, it has to go through the courts. And so if there's a legal battle, then the GTU and the Ministry of Education will have to face the courts, and the courts will decide.
The GTU boycotted a meeting that was scheduled for Wednesday with the Education Ministry at the Labor Department. Reporting for HGP Nightly News, I am Yanis Abrams.